Children, it is a model question paper 2021-22 given by Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board, Malleshwaram, Bangalore. Now, let us solve this question paper, and there are some general instructions for the candidate. So, what are the general instructions? First one is, this question paper consists of objective and subjective types of 38 questions. This question paper has been sealed by reverse jacket. You have to cut on the right side to open the paper at the time of commencement of the examination. Check whether all the pages of the question paper are intact. Follow the instructions given against the objective and subjective types of questions. Figures in the right hand margin indicate maximum marks for the questions. The maximum time to answer the paper is given at the top of the question paper. It includes 15 minutes for reading the question paper. So here, what is the maximum time? That is 3 hours 15 minutes, and this 15 minutes is for the reading. So, read the question paper completely within 15 minutes. After that only, it is better to start writing. So, here you write the answer after reading complete question paper. Now, let us start the answering. First question. 4 alternatives are given for each of the following questions in complete statement. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. First one. If a pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0 in two variables have unique solution, then correct relation among the following is. You must know it. If the pair of linear equation is having unique solution, means only one solution, if and only if a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. So, what is the answer here? Option A is the answer. Here, don't write the answer on the question paper. Write the answer in the answer booklet only. So, the first answer is option A. What is that? a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. You know that if a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2, they are having infinitely many solutions. If a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2, no solutions. So here, if there is unique solution, then what is the answer? a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Then the next question, the common difference of the arithmetic progression 100, 93, 86. To find the common difference, you need a2 and a1. Here the first term is a1, that is 100, and second term is that is a2, 93, and you know that d is equals to a2 minus a1, that is equals to 93 minus 100, which is equals to minus 7. No need of writing this, you can do it orally. You must know that 93 minus 100 is equals to minus 7. So, what is the answer here? Option D is the answer. So, you write the answer. Option D, minus 7. Next, you take third question. If the value of the discriminant of a quadratic equation is 0, then the nature of the roots are. If the value of the discriminant of a quadratic equation is 0, then the nature of the roots are. You know that nature of the roots of the quadratic equation depends upon the value b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac is 0, means discriminant part is 0. b square minus 4ac is called discriminant part. If b square minus 4ac is there 0, the roots are real and equal. You must know this. Roots are real and equal. So, option B is the answer. Answer B, real and equal. Next, the value of cosec 45 degree is, value of cosec 45 degrees, you know the value of sin 45. Sin and cosec are reciprocal of each other. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Its reciprocal is root 2. So this is sin. This is cosec. So root 2. What is the answer here? Answer is option B. Option B is the answer. So you write answer option B, root 2. Then the next question. The distance of a point P of xy from the origin is, you know this formula, the distance of the point P of xy from the origin is whole root x square plus y square, whole root x square plus y square. Here the options are root x square minus y square, root x minus y, and root x square plus y square is there, and root y minus x is there. So what is the answer? Option C is the answer. So note down C. Answer C, that is square root of x square plus y square. Next question, question number 6. The empirical relationship between mean, median and mode is. The empirical relationship between mean, median and mode, it is a direct relation, you must know this, that is 3 median equals mode plus 2 mean. 3 median equals mode plus 2 mean. So write the answer option D. Option D is the answer. 3 median equals mode plus 2 mean. Mode plus 2 mean. So you take option answer D. What is that? 3 median equals mode plus 2 mean. Next you take 7th one. Which of the following pair of triangles are always similar? Which of the following pair of triangles are always similar? You know that two equilateral triangles are always similar. Two equilateral triangles are always similar. So which is the answer here? Option C is the answer. Note down answer C, two equilateral triangles. Next you take question number 8. What is that question? A cone is cut by a plane parallel to its base and the small cone part that obtained is removed, then the remaining part of the cone is. If the cone is cut by a plane parallel to its base and that small cone is removed, what is the remaining part? You know that the remaining part is called a frustum of cone. So what is the answer? Option A, frustum of cone. So you write answer option A frustum of cone. Then you take next question. Answer the following questions. In an arithmetic progression, the sum of first 4 terms is 20 and the sum of first 3 terms is 12. Then find the fourth term of arithmetic progression. Here you can use the relation an equals Sn minus Sn minus 1. Here what we have to find out? We have to find the fourth term. So Sn means here first 4 terms, sum of the first 4 terms Sn you take, and the sum of the first 3 terms you take, that is Sn minus 1. So you can take, what you have to find out? We have to find the fourth term, that is A4 is equals to S4 minus S4 minus 1, that is S3. So S4 is how much? That is 12 minus S4 is 20. Here S4 is 20 minus S3 is 12. S3 is 12, that equals 8. So here what is the answer? You can write this answer in the booklet systematically. So you write AN equals Sn minus 1 and A4 equals S4 minus S3. S4 is 20 minus S3 is 12, which is equals to 8. Therefore, fourth term is 8. Then next you take question number 10. If a pair of linear equations in two variables are inconsistent, then write how many solutions do they have. How many solutions do they have? You know that if they are inconsistent, they are not having any solution. For linear equations in two variables, inconsistent system have no solution, while dependent systems have infinitely many solutions. So what is the answer? We have to write here. Answer: no solutions. No solutions. Next question. Find the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 1. So you can write, don't write on the question paper, write on the answer booklet. So you take sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 1. You know the identity. What is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and this one, that is 1 plus 1 equals 2. Then what is the answer? Answer is 1. Next one. A point P divides the line joining of points A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally. Then write the coordinates of P. You know the section formula. Write the section formula here. Here, if a point P divides the line joining of a point A and B of the coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2 respectively, then the coordinates of P. So you can write answer P of xy. P of xy equals, right? What is that formula? Formula is P of xy equals m1 x2 plus m2 x1 whole divided by here the ratio is given m1 m2, so you write m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1, that whole divided by m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 whole divided by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. Coordinates of the point P which divides the line joining the points A and B. Next you take the statement of the Pythagoras theorem. Children, you must buy at this theorem. What is the statement here? In a right angled triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. write that in a right angled triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. This is the statement of the Pythagoras theorem. Now let us take the question number 14. What is that question? In the figure, find the length of an arc AB of a circle with center O if angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. Here what we have to find out? We have to find the length of the arc. You know the method of finding the length of the arc, and there is a formula to find the length of the arc. So what is the angle here? Angle is 90 degree. Then length of the arc equals, here you take theta equals 90 degree. And what is the radius here? Radius equals 7 centimeter. Note down the radius. R equals 7 centimeter. And what is the formula to find the length of the arc? Length of the arc is equals to theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. So you write the formula, that is length of the arc equals theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the perimeter or circumference of the circle, that is the length of the arc of the circle. But here the arc is made with an angle 90 degree. So here theta is 90 degree. So you take 90 degree by 360 degree into 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So this 7 cancels, and 90 ones are 94s are, again 2 ones are 2 twos are, then you can take 2 ones are 2 11s are. So finally you got 11 centimeter. What is the answer here? 11 centimeter. Length of the arc is 11 centimeter. Next question, 15th question. Write the formula to find the volume of a cone. Write the formula to find the volume of the cone. You must know the formula here. What is the formula? That is volume of a cone equals volume of a cone equals 1 by 3 pi r square h. You know, pi r square h is the volume of the cylinder, and volume of the cone is 1 by 3 volume of the cylinder. So you can write volume of cone equals 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of a cone equals 1 by 3 pi r square h. Next question, 16th question. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 7 centimeter. Find the surface area of the sphere of radius 7 centimeter. And you must know the formula to find the surface area of a sphere. What is that formula? That is surface area of sphere equals 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Here r is given. What is r? R equals 7 centimeter. Then you write surface area of sphere equals 4 pi r square, which is equals to 4 into 22 by 7. What is the value of pi? Pi value is 22 by 7 into r square. R is 7. R square means you write it 2 times. 7 into 7. 7 square, that is 7 into 7. Then you cancel 1 7. Then you write the product of these 3. You can write 4 into 22. 4 into 22 is 88 into 7. Next you find the product of these two. 88 into 7. 8 7 is 56. 8 7 is 56 plus 5, 61. 616 cm square. That completes 1 marks question, 8 multiple choice questions and 8 objective type questions.